friends, welcome to a new episode of our YouTube channel Science Technology. And today in this episode, I'm going to tell you about what will it happen if we went to space without wearing a spacesuit. How our body will react with the climate of the space. What will it happen if accidentally the spacesuit gets detached from our body. So in this video, I'm going to tell you about on this topic only. So let's start this video. At first, space is only a place where there is oxygen is not present and pressure is not at all present. At first, we will not able to breathe in the space. Accidentally, if we get out of the spacecraft without wearing a spacesuit, suddenly we'll feel that all the air inside the lungs is going out of the body, and if the oxygen reach our brain, then we will surely die. Second point is that if we went to the space without wearing a spacesuit, first we will not able to breathe. It is the most important point. We will not able to breathe, and in absence of oxygen, many parts of the body will stop working because of the absence of oxygen. As we can see in our daily life, if there is when the cell do not able to take oxygen, they start anaerobic respiration. For that, the muscle cramps occur, and we have seen that how much it is painful. Then have we ever imagined if there is not oxygen present, then how will it behave, how painful the process will be. So it's the second point. The third point is that if we do not wear a spacesuit in the space, the body will be very much in a danger position. As in the space, the stars produce a huge amount of dangerous ultraviolet rays. In the earth, if in the Antarctica, in the Antarctica, the ozone layer is being in the ozone layer, a small hole has been present. A small hole has been occurred because of our pollution in the earth. Because of global warming, a small hole has been occurred on the ozone layer. Because of that, so much animals have died because of the ultraviolet rays coming from that distance from the sun. It occurred. There is so much animals died in the Antarctica, and people have also causing skin cancer. So because of that, so much damage is being occurred because of so much less ultraviolet rays. And in the space there is so much ultraviolet rays. Then have we ever imagined if we went to space without a spacesuit, how the ultraviolet rays will fall in our body and how damage it will occur. So we could also imagine how the position of the body will be. So the fourth point is that if we do not wear a spacesuit in space, the body will the body's blood will start boiling because of the absence of oxygen. Our body's blood will start boiling, and this boiling of blood for the absence of oxygen, the body's blood will boil, and for that boiling of blood, some parts of the body will get damaged. So it's also a very dangerous point. So the fifth point is that it's the most painful thing that can occur when we went to the space without us wearing a spacesuit. Our eyes will fill with the pressure, and all the organs inside the eye will be at the outside, and it is very much dangerous. We could also think of it how the position of will be. There will be a lot of bleeding from the eye. As we can see that from the mountainer's nose, a lot of bleeding occurs because in mountain there is less amount of pressure, and in the space the bleeding in the nose will occur in the mouth and also in eyes. So these things only I I was going to say in this episode. If you like this video, then please press the like button and don't forget to subscribe on my channel. That's all for